Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, and I wanted to give you an update from doing the cleaning of our roof, which was horrible. If you've seen this video right here. Well, that roof was horrible, and we did that roof September 29th, 2023, 17 months ago. It is absolutely still beautiful. It's just gorgeous, and the sun isn't even hitting it from this side. It's still on the back side of the house. Actually, the sun is right there, but you can see how nice and beautiful and clean it is. So the video, which the link, Julio, tell everybody where the links and tools will be.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson Thompson. But it looks gorgeous. There's not a spot of mold or mildew or anything on it. Let's go over here a bit. We saved probably $3,000 by doing the roof ourselves. It can be done. The tools are easy to use. The mixture is easy to use. You do not have to be a rocket scientist. You don't have to get it down to the exact ounce on the bleach and soap mixture. Some people make way more out of it than they have to. Mix it together. If it doesn't get it as clean as you want, add a little extra. Hit it again the next day. Our system worked great, and we expect it to last, well, I don't know, 3-4 more years. And if you're polishing your paint on your car and you're trying to figure out what you should do to make it really shine, see our other channel, Sweet Project Cars. We just got done with a very good series on making your paint look beautiful and lasting for a long time. So there you go, my friends. More updates coming on other projects. We always like to share that what we do works. Mr. Know-It-All out.